Hello guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel!
For our next vlog, we would like to discuss with you guys yung experience namin with one of our clients in heavy equipment.
Si Mr. Suave.
Actually guys, itong client namin, repeat client na namin to. If I'm not mistaken, client namin siya since last year. So ngayon, bumalik kasi siya sa amin para kumuha ulit ng unit, which is yung backhoe excavator.
Meron siyang 2 option na brand.
So in our next video guys, ipapakita namin sa inyo yung performance ng dalawang brand as well as their specifications.
Ano bang meron? Pag
Wala mo lang wala! Pero meron! Meron! Meron!
After thorough inspection and evaluation of the 2 units, finally, may napili na din yung client namin. Ano kaya sa tingin nyo guys yung napili niya? Tama kaya kayo? Let's see!
One eternity later. Okay.
So that's it for now. See you in our next vlog. If you like this video,
Please like and subscribe.
and hit the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa bagong mga videos namin. Bye!
Bye!